So this is a Master 532, and I mean, I know we all poke a lot of fun at Master Lock and how bad they are, but I gotta give it to them when they do something okay. I'm not gonna say good, because I can get into it in under 30 seconds when I'm not talking or paying attention. I can just get into it. But this has 5 spools, and the bitting lends to not being able to rake it. It also doesn't open with jiggling it with just the tubular lockpick from the Echelon set. But to get into it, I'm gonna try to use a Lawlocks and 47 thousandths, because I found out that the tension tool on this thing's actually really important, because I was using a 40 and it was falling out, and a 50 doesn't fit. And then I'm going to use this, it's a Peterson. It's either a number 7 or a number 4. It's from the Las Vegas set, and that bend in it actually helps with this lock. I've shaped the pick to the locks, because this one has a slightly more paracentric keyway, and the picks like to get hung up on that warding up top. So 1, got a click, nothing on 2. 3 goes into a false set, come back to 2. Alright, deeper false set, so 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay. I had overset number 5, and I just had to let off a little bit and let it out. But yep, that's the Master Lock number 532.